In this video, I'll show you how to remove duct tape residue on smooth painted surfaces. Last year, when we were replacing the fixture on our front lamppost, it started to rain, so I taped a plastic bag over the pole to protect the wiring. However, when I removed the tape, it left a crusty adhesive residue on the pole. Here's how I removed it without damaging the paint. All you'll need is a little bit of unleaded gasoline. This is just regular gas from the gas station. Make sure to wear gloves and use a clean, dry cloth. Always test a small area of your painted surface first before proceeding. Wet the cloth with a little gas, then dab it onto the tape residue. If the adhesive is really dry, for example if it's been in direct sunlight for a while, leave it to sit a few minutes to soften up. Then gently rub the adhesive, reapplying more gasoline as necessary. As you can see, after a few applications and rounds of wiping, all the tape residue was removed, and none of the underlying paint was affected. When you're finished, be sure to rinse any gasoline residue off with plain water or lightly soapy water. Here's the cleaned pole months later, and the paint still looks great. I hope you enjoyed this DIY video. You can ask me any questions in the comments. I'll put links to some of the cleaning supplies that I used in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.